Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have something absolutely different. We're gonna start with my flagship Optimus Prime from Robosen. The issue that I have is when I turn the power on and press for 5 seconds, I didn't get any reaction from the robot. So you guys can see, I try again. You can see there's a light on the power button, but nothing. There's no reaction, there's no response whatsoever. And I say, okay, maybe it's the battery, because I don't see what else is going around. I look into every search on Google, I didn't see anything. I charged my roll for 2 hours at the recommended, nothing, so I proceed just to disassemble. A little bit of warning, if you have warranty on it, I definitely don't recommend it. Also remember, those servos are really delicate, and if you ruin something, that's on you. But for the sake of science, I'm gonna go ahead and disassemble myself, and you guys can see how I access. You feel free to pause, zoom in, or whatever you guys deem necessary. If you definitely need to remove the battery and check the battery and see maybe that's the cause of your Optimus Prime failing. As you guys can see, you have to be really careful with the screws. The screws are really tiny. I recommend for you to have those special screws for jewelry. They're gonna be nice on this aspect to help you with the disassemble process. Do not do any torque excessive on it, because you can damage the screws and then it's going to be really hard to get them out. I personally went step by step. I didn't put any pressure on them. Sometimes you get a little bit frustrated, but I just took a little bit of a break, go back, relax, and start going little by little. The hard part for the battery is the 2 screws on the bottom. The screws are located where the radiator is at, but to access, you have to dismember the part of the joints on the legs. And that way you're gonna have access with the screwdriver to remove the battery. You have to be very careful on this part because the lower part of the body is connected as well. So that needs to be removed. When you have that, then you have access to those 2 screws on the back, and that's it. That's all you have to do to access the battery. So it's 4 screws on the back, but again, without removing the part of the legs, you're not gonna be able to access at all. But you don't have to remove the legs completely, just the upper part, and that's gonna allow you to access the battery. On my case, I checked the battery was fine. It has voltage, it has everything on it, so I assembled my robot back, and I'm gonna send my robot to Robosen and see what they have to say. I know there's a fee for a diagnostic, but I don't know exactly how much it's gonna be. The first process, you have to send them an email. They're gonna email you back. You put the serial number of the robot, the day where you bought it, and send it back to them. I will follow up on this and see if that fixed my robot or what was the diagnosis based on their investigation. I hope this video is going to help you guys if somebody wants to take the risk and disassemble. And if it's just the battery, well, that would be an easy thing to do. Keep in mind with the battery, you can buy one on eBay, but that's an aftermarket and it's not going to fit perfectly on the robot, but it's not going to disturb the transformation assembly. You want to order the battery directly from them, then it's gonna be through Robosen. You guys take care, and I'll see you on the next video with a follow-up on my Optimus Prime.